Milk thistle can help to detox from marijuana and pass a drug test. We'll explain how. Milk thistle features a group of active ingredients that are collectively called silymarin. Silymarin inhibits the activity of drug metabolizing enzymes found in the liver, the CYP and the UGT enzymes. These enzymes are the primary enzymes that are involved in the metabolism of cannabinoids. The THC is metabolized in our body in two phases. Phase 1 involves the oxidation of the active THC to its active metabolite 11-OH-THC, and later on the inactive THC-COOH. The process is done by the CYP enzymes. The UGT enzymes take over the second phase that involves adding a glucuronide molecule to the inactive THC-COOH metabolite. The end product of this process is THC-COO glucuronide. The glucuronide suffix indicates that these metabolites are ready for excretion either through urine or bile. What happens when silymarin inhibits the activity of the enzymes? By inhibiting the activity of the CYP enzymes, silymarin decreases the rate of THC metabolism. By inhibiting the activity of the UGT enzymes, the glucuronidation process is also slowed. This means that there will be fewer THC-COO glucuronide metabolites released for excretion through urine. If the levels of THC metabolites in urine is lower than the cutoff level of the drug test, you'll pass it. How to use milk thistle to pass a drug test. You need to take 150 to 175 milligrams of milk thistle daily as an addition to the dilution method or as an addition to the natural detoxification method. We describe both methods in another video. Please remember that milk thistle can only help to speed up the detox process. There's no guarantee that you'll pass the drug test using it. If you need a reliable and proven method to pass a drug test, use one of the following detox kits. Fast Marijuana Detox Kit. It's a safe and legal same-day solution to pass a drug test. It's not detectable by labs and comes with a money-back guarantee. This kit starts working in 90 minutes and stays effective for up to 5 hours. Premium 7-Day Detox Kit. This kit will help you to be clean forever in just 7 days. It cleanses all urine, blood, and saliva from any traces of weed. It's legal, safe, and not detectable by the labs. To get any of these kits, follow the links under the video. If you missed anything or have any questions, please leave a comment and let us know. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about passing a drug test, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.